Hey everybody, Johnny Megan here. Greetings from Bridgeport, Ohio. We are currently located on Interstate 70 easterly bound, mile marker 223. The local time here is 3:31. We are down to 244 miles to Fredericks, Maryland on English Muffin Road. Once again, today is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. October 28, 2016. We'll be going through Wheeling, West Virginia here just a couple minutes. Brookside Corp Limit. There you go. Our ETA is somewhere around 8 o'clock or maybe 7:55. Give and take a few miles. I think we should be on the left lane here because I know this. We should be, I think the true traffic is on the left lane, so. Bridgeport, there you go. Welcome to West Virginia. Every time I go through here, I have this feeling of this is a really old town. I don't know why. Oh, you know what's coming. Oh, you know what's coming. Oh yeah. Somebody got a train horn behind me. Holy smokies. That was a train horn, man. Big old Peterbilt right here. I've never heard a train horn from a truck before. That was pretty cool. Gotta love it. Oh, school bus. Man, I really thought there was a train behind me. Whew. Got a taste of my own medicine, huh? See, I couldn't really see him because he didn't have his headlights on. At first, I didn't know what was going on. Oh, man. I deserved that one. I surely did. Let's go after him. I don't think we could chase that guy even if we wanted to. I got a taste of my own medicine. Ooh. I gotta get me one of those train horns, man. That was pretty cool. It was kind of scary at first, though. Alright, we got 237 miles to go, about roughly 4 hours and 17 minutes. Well, there ain't no catching that guy, so... I'll catch you guys later.